Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course. It is time to take this off again. As you could probably tell, this makeup was inspired by Squid Games, and I love it. And I'm taking my contacts out first so I can see. Let's start with a small piece. Oh boy. Okay, could be worse. Now I gotta take this monstrosity off and I'm really not looking forward to that. I think doing it fast is the best course of action. Alright y'all, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I keep making everything out of cardboard boxes, yes. But that was only the beginning. There's still this piece left. Okay, let's just do the same thing. Deep breath. The other way. Good. Did I really just forget how to breathe? Anyways. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I don't feel pain. Doesn't this just look delicious? Nightmare fuel. And just like that, I'm all clean.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does.
This one here smells great. Which one? Smells like Mother's crazy sister Kate. Oh, you think so? Yeah, I do. It smells so good. She couldn't have been that crazy. I don't think so. Oh, you don't think so, huh? No. Well, she put her poodle one time in a microwave oven. To eat it? Yeah, to eat it? Oh, no. No, silly, to dry it. But it exploded, and they were both found dead. She must have been out of her head. Here it is.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day.
Monday, we start off tame. Tuesday, we keep it classy. Wednesday, we let loose a little. Thursday, we start to get restless. Friday, it's time to get nasty. Saturday, we let it all hang out. Sunday, we pick up the pieces.
Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. My phone is about to die, so we gotta do this fast. Starting with the leaves. That was really easy, okay. I'm like always prepared for the worst. Good to know that about myself, I guess. Okay, I feel like these ones are gonna be bad. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's fine. And then, of course, the beautiful smile. I can't see, so finding an edge is really difficult. Found one right here. And, it's stuck. We're just gonna go from the side. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Just lovely. As they say, beauty is pain. And, this is obviously beauty, right? Right? Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with a wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh, and the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we about to speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my god. I can't even open my mouth all the way, what? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. My skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave, but... Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I'm really sorry, did not mean to ruin your childhood like that. I don't even know where to start here. Maybe the eyes? Sure. Oh boy, 3, 2, 1. I swear to God, y'all better... Ow. Okay, wait. Y'all better not ask me to do more cursed makeup like this. This is more traumatizing to me than it is to you, I swear. Let's go for the nose, I guess. 1, 2, 3. My teeth look so white in the contrast with the black though, huh? My whole face is covered with fur. I genuinely have no idea how to take it all off. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's also the smile. Maybe that will help. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, never mind. Take 2. Deep breath and... Ow! That pretty much solves the fur problem though. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact. We gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay. Let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get my lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
One thing we know for sure, we are far from finished with this location. In this haunted house in upstate South Carolina, the shadows of history passing in the halls, unseen hands reach out to welcome you.
There was next to no physical evidence to help us try and link the potential suspect.
The exhumation was no more disappointing than chasing down